So now click on Windows logo, go to your settings. After clicking on settings, go to privacy. So in privacy, go to speech, turn this off. Then inking and typing personalization. So by default, this all of this option will be turned on. You need to turn this off. I already turned off. Diagnosis and feedback, turn this off. This and this off as well. Activity history, location, you need to turn this off as well. Camera and microphone, don't change anything. Otherwise, if you are someone who is using Zoom meetings or any voice calls, so it will be a problem for you. Even while gaming, you cannot use your microphone. So don't change anything here. Notification, turn this off. You don't have to turn on any notification because we rarely see the notification on our devices except a smartphone. In this account info, don't turn this off, otherwise the Microsoft, if you are someone playing a game on any Microsoft Xbox game, so it will give you some issue. So don't turn this off. In contacts, turn this off. In calendar, turn this off as well. Phone calls, turn this off. Call history, turn this off. So after following all these steps, close this and you need to restart. So now let's talk about how to avoid or prevent getting your device slow down or getting damaged. So a lot of us have downloaded some kind of pirated software or any pirated games. Even now you might be using some kind of pirated software or playing some pirated games. So you must avoid or stop using them, because whenever you download any software, so there are a lot of background apps that are running, a lot of scripts are running in the background and you have no clue about it. So what are these background apps? So basically these are Bitcoin mining apps. So what happens is this Bitcoin mining apps uses your processor, so which in turn will definitely either damage your processor or it will consume a lot of your device power. So you don't want your hardware to be used in such kind of work. Of course you want to use this for your own advantages. So I admit I have done these mistakes. So what are the mistakes that I have done and what I have learned so far from it? So basically whenever you want to use any software, let's say you want to use Adobe Premiere Pro, but you all know the price of this software. So if you are someone who is willing to use the software but do not have the budget to purchase the costly app, so what you guys do is go to Google and search for the pirated or cracked app. So you click on the very first site you see, and after that you click on the website. You will see a couple of download now buttons. You get confused, you click on any download button. So after clicking on download button, you see that some kind of .exe file will be downloaded. So basically this is not any software, this is just the .exe file which is injected with some kind of ransomware or adware. In most of the cases these are adware. So what are adwares? Adwares are nothing but a injected virus, which basically what it does is it attacks your system files or your browser. So whenever you install such .exe file, you will see that you won't be able to uh, check the status of the installation. You will think that the exe file is not working due to some issue, but it is running in the background and it is always running. So what it does is it injects your Chrome browser or any web browser. So after some time you will see that some kind of extension files or even your web search engine, or whenever you click on home tab, the address link will be changed to some kind of pirated website or anything like that. So basically it is collecting all your data, it is telling your cookies files, all your password. So after installing these files, you go to sleep, and when you wake up in the morning the next time, you will see a couple of notifications from the Gmail team that all your passwords have been stolen or it has been compromised. So you have to change the password of all the accounts. So it is a lot of hassle. So avoid using any illegal websites, or just open any illegal website, any pirated website, and you will see there will be no Google ads on those websites. The reason behind that is even Google has identified these websites as illegal or someone which is pro- providing your PC with some kind of virus. So please do not download or install any of this virus. Otherwise, it will damage your device a lot and you will regret a lot. Also, in most of the cases, I have seen that whenever you install this .exe files, it will inject some virus in your Windows directory files, especially the DLL files. So what happens is your DLL files will be injected with virus, and when you use some Malwarebytes or any malware removing software, it deletes the system files, and then a lot of your features, basic features such as typing in search bar or any Windows command won't be able to be executed due to these mistakes. So please do not commit any of these mistakes. Avoid using pirated software. And if you are someone who just want to test out any software, you can either go purchase the software or you can use torrent. So torrent will be your best option.